This is the video we've all been waiting for. A brutal test of Tesla's Cybertruck up against a Ford F-150, the supposedly toughest truck you can buy in America! But just remember that as we go through this video,
every single thing the Cybertruck goes through, that truck is doing too.
Yeah, let's just see about that, shall we?
I finally present to you Cybertruck durability test number 1. Oh, here it is, here it is. Be careful. Oh. Be careful. Wouldn't it sure be a shame if the electric truck did better than the gas truck after all the shit that everybody talked? I have this nice little points counter to keep track. Please don't tell me that's the charge level.
It is.
What's the closest Tesla supercharger? 39 miles. And we have 44 miles. All right, the truck is plugged in. I better not have to download an app to charge my vehicle.
This is a f***ing disaster.
Yeah, I'm not able to charge it. It says paid charging unavailable. I have to add it to my Tesla account.
Forgetting to fill your electric fuel tank up before recording might be the first problem here. The second is not setting up a Tesla account to allow for seamless charging. Who paid for the truck and where are they? And why didn't he get it fully charged before literally being dropped off?
Beast? Ah!
Okay, hold up, Cody. I'm putting my seatbelt on.
Go! Oh! That's so impressive.
There's only one word to describe Tesla's acceleration. Undeniable.
Since we drove that, we have to do the same with that. That goes in there. It feels primitive. Ugh.
That doesn't sound good at all.
Let's see if it can hit 20 miles an hour.
Just blew it.
Oh, wow! That's bad. The drive shaft hangs down and it bent. Well, I think it's fair to say the Ford failed there, miserably. No, wait, we skipped something. I didn't have to waste my entire day charging the F-150. Next!
Whoa. Are you just going to ignore the ridiculous elephant in the room that the Ford F-150 was not only rendered useless before the tests even began after its drive shaft plopped off, which I'd call a catastrophic failure, but how long does it take to fit an entire new drive shaft? I'm guessing a little longer than it did to sit and charge for half an hour. One all? You're having a laugh, sunshine.
And we're gonna do the speed bump test. Oh, ride height off-road? Oh, that's very tall. That's like a 6-inch lift.
Oh, we made it up.
We're going now. Yeah! Okay.
It's rough, but it's smooth at the same time.
It really is. It's not like bone shattering. Wow, is there any damage? Oh! That's what hit. I didn't even know that was there. We just discovered a hitch. I would say that was a pass. No critical damage whatsoever. Lane departure avoid.
Regenerative brakes, stability control, vehicle, hold, adaptive ride, automatic emergency brake.
I think we did something. Rebooting? They just went away. Yeah! Now let's try the real truck. I'm scared. The truck is driving. We just put a new drive shaft in it. That was almost $900. I feel like this is gonna hurt more. And the airbag is probably gonna blow up in my face. Oh, wow. Oh!
Ooh, there goes the drive shaft.
My back. Okay, my neck. Bro, that hurt. That was painful. Well, we gotta do one more. My spine.
We're done.
That looked painful. A fair outcome though. Cybertruck rode that with comfort. The F-150 nearly had its drive shaft ripped off again. Flip me though, this looks like a lot of fun to do, doesn't it? Hit that like button and subscribe if you want to watch me go through the same sort of pain someday. Wait, what?
So we're gonna race the F-150 now, off-road. 3, 2, 1.
Bye-bye.
I'm dusting that little... He can't even keep up. I can't even see him in my mirror.
Well, that was embarrassing for Ford. Perhaps if they had the F-150 Lightning, the electric version, it would have fared better. See? Fairness, that's all I ask.
It seemed pretty neck and neck most of the day.
It wasn't neck and neck. I just want to tell everybody genuinely, if you compare an electric vehicle to a microwave, you are simply just a loser. You just lost. Oh. We're gonna go one more, and then we gotta send it, okay? Critical steering issue detected. There it goes.
There we go.
Ow. Oh. Well, that was very smooth. Something's wrong. The truck is almost on the ground. Oh, it's this side too. Is the air system broken? The air ride system is really, really cool, but it's just not meant for this crazy off-roading. It's going back up. It was at 5, now it's at 7. See? Look, 7 and then 12. It's fixing itself.
The fact that the air suspension is fixing itself before their very eyes is pretty cool, hey? That was a brutal test though. Landing the frame of the Cybertruck on that concrete beam from such a height. What's that going to do to the F-150, I wonder?
This is gonna hurt, man.
No.
Ow!
It felt like we just blew a tire.
Oh my god.
All right, we're scared.
Oh, it got stuck and didn't make it to the frame-crushing drop. Not quite taking the same level of punishment then.
Did someone just break off? What? No!
Are you kidding me?
Oh my god! Our whole frame just snapped.
What could possibly have caused it? Could it be the moment you dropped a 3-ton truck on a slab of concrete? Any other truck would have snapped at this point too, don't you think?
The hitch is hooked up to what? It just came off. Oh my god. You can't even fix that. That's a total truck. What good does the hitch do if it's barely on aluminum? Your trailer would have just fallen off. Bro, that's crazy. Any other normal truck could do that and you're not gonna break the frame. It's steel. You gotta have a steel core. You gotta have something holding this together.
That looks cheap, honestly.
That's what they bought that
cast.
press for.
Let's say your trailer hits a pothole or gets a flat. It could shear this whole thing off.
What's the towing capacity? Because to get that certified, they have to go through a ton of testing.
Of course, the Cybertruck has already proved itself towing ludicrous loads that make other trucks blush. Dropping the rear end of the Cybertruck onto a concrete beam from a great height might just be the thing that caused it to snap. I have my suspicions.
Seems as if the entire tonneau cover has spontaneously disassembled. The bed looks okay. I have not opened it. I haven't touched the back. That's from jumps. It's broken. Let's see if we can access the Ford bed. Oh yeah, it doesn't come with inferior parts.
Another sneaky point added for the F-150 that miraculously survived any drop damage, as it couldn't climb over some pipes. That's fair.
Let's see if we can just crawl up this.
Yes!
Oh, oh wow. No way. Oh my gosh. I wasn't expecting that actually. Holy cow. It just went up it. Oh, she's got it. She's got it. Nope, she does not. You got it. You got it. I'm to the floor. Well, okay, so automatically the Cybertruck got up.
Despite Cybertruck's prolapse, it clearly took this steep incline with ease. A massive fail for the F-150 that not only couldn't make it, but grounded out its rear on descent. Which is the best off-roader based on this test alone? Can climb a slope? Cannot climb a slope?
Let me accelerate and stop trying again. Halfway down the hill, it just stopped. Yeah, it wasn't even that stuck. Just to prove that the F-150 can do it, I'm gonna full send the F-150 through. Maybe they're both just as bad. Well, before we get some air here, let's pop an LFGO. I've actually been using this stuff. It's amazing. 200 milligrams of caffeine per pouch.
I think the last thing this guy needs is more caffeine, but if I was about to do this next test, I might need a little pick-me-up too. Check this out. Holy moly, just look at that. Remember, this truck stands 7 foot tall. This is going to cause some serious damage. I can't wait to see what this jump does for the F-150. But back to Cybertruck. More caffeine, perhaps?
Dude, it shattered our windshield completely. Oh no. Yeah, the whole windshield just gave out. I bet it's fine.
Yeah!
Now, since I told everybody we keep it equal, we have to do it with the F-150. Hold on.
If I'm being generous, the fact that this slow-ass truck couldn't accelerate to the same speed as the Cybertruck is the reason it's barely in the air here. Are they seriously still calling this a fair test?
It's so rough. The other landing was deadly.
F-150, Cybertruck.
We're gonna start with a very gentle door close now. That did not sound good.
Where's it binding up at?
It's the same thing as a Model 3. You slam the door hard enough, the entire panel comes off.
Yep.
It's really small. Oh no! Oh no! No! I fixed it.
Besides the entertainment factor here being set to 11, try slamming any glass door that hard and expect it to survive. From dropping the frame onto a concrete beam to launching it beyond reasonable expectant damage control thresholds, you might expect a little warping and twisting of the body by now, leading to an inoperable tonneau cover and a few loose panels.
No way. That's really bad. Let's try the back. Oh, that just came out. That came off. This also came off. Built Ford weak. Okay. Oh. Wow. Someone slams your door and breaks your window. And the winner is... neither of you. Both trucks suck. I had seen a video that recalled all of the Cybertrucks for a sticking accelerator pedal.
The EV maker has issued a voluntary recall of all its long-awaited Cybertrucks.
And so what they did, I guess, is they used dish soap to apply the pedal. I'm going to slam down on the accelerator pedal and see if it sticks. Wow, it's actually holding on. Wait. Wait. Oh, I think I just broke it.
What the?
Hold on, I think I just broke it. Wait, no, hold up.
Oh, the whole. Oh, the pedal, it's jammed in the floor?
Yeah, it's got jammed in there. That's horrible. Like, that's the most important part of the truck.
Who knew that kicking the shit out of something might break it? I think we've all learned something today.
Let's see if we can break the F-150 pedal. I'm just a squatted truck over.
Yeah, that pedal's not gonna break.
Another L for the Cybertruck. Now, we're gonna do the very viral chopping your fingers off test.
Without further ado,
And then we have this open. Let's just say, well, oh no, my fingers hurt. I can lift it back up. Now this wants to be all robot-like. That one actually scared me a little. No, stop. Bro, this is gonna hurt so bad.
Oh,
this is gonna hurt
gosh.
so bad. Stop! Open it! Open it! Open it now! Hit the button! Open it! Open the front! Open it! Oh! Hit the button! Hit the button! No, this actually hurts really bad. Open it! It says open it! I'm the 911! Open the front! Oh. Dude. It went down, but then it locked. It was like, So I'm putting my head in the deadly Cybertruck frunk. No. It's like, I'm gonna kill you. No, I'm not.
Every car, every door, every window, in fact, many objects that we use daily have the capability of finger-crushing mayhem. I managed to crush and chop an entire fruit salad using my Tesla Model 3 alone. Do I blame the inanimate object, or do I blame the idiot carrying out the test?
Surely this is more durable than this. Let's say you're shopping and someone snuck a pound of C4 onto your tailgate. Would you be fine? Oh my god. Oh! Now we're gonna try it on a real truck, because that should be able to handle it, right? Go. Oh no. That didn't look good at all. Parts went everywhere. Oh! The tailgate is gone. That's an explosive device versus aluminum. Here we have an explosive device versus steel. Go. Oh my god. This is big. Dude, that is nuts!
Oh!
Yeah,
Tyler.
in. Oh my god, it latched! Run!
Oh, I got hit with shrapnel!
I'm good. Oh, it's fine. That's not bad at all.
That looks so cool, though.
But it's sealed shut.
dude.
By the power of Grayskull, the Cybertruck just held up under a C4 explosion. Which would you call the toughest truck? The one that's still intact, or the one with a cannonball-sized hole through it?
No hole. Hole. Hole? No hole.
I still hate the Cybertruck.
Shut the f. How many people can the Cybertruck hold? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And a half. Now we're gonna be testing the Riot defense capabilities of the Cybertruck. Oh my god! Oh, it broke.
How many throws of a metal weight did it take to smash that window? I can't wait to see the damage done to the F-150.
Now let's see how the mirrors compare to the F-150 mirrors.
Where's the Ford smash up? Are you just going to totally forget to do that one in this very fair test? Got it.
Now let's see how the mirrors compare to the F-150 mirrors. Okay. This is gonna be good.
Although the Cybertruck, remember, has just taken a beating from this lot, whereas the F-150 has not. I know I might sound like a Tesla Cybertruck apologist here, but these mirrors are designed to be removed. They are not a legal requirement in the US, and after the original reveal of the Cybertruck without mirrors, Tesla designed them to be easily removable, albeit perhaps not that easily.
Absolutely pathetic. You did not build a truck, you built a little kitty baby Little Tyke's car. Did everything that truck did.
Did everything the F-150 did? Yeah, right, it couldn't function before you sat in it, remember this?
Just blew it.
Still runs, still drives, could go across the country right now.
Any minute now they're going to smash up this truck and show us how tough it really is.
Let me rip the fender flares off the F-150. Oh yeah, it's all one piece.
No?
I give the Cybertruck, I have to say, I think it lost this one. It did lose. The Ford won.
Suck my globe, the Ford won. Where the hell was the fair test? The Ford F-150 catastrophically broke on arrival, couldn't drive over some tubes to even make it to the concrete beam smasher, couldn't climb a hill, couldn't keep up, didn't jump anywhere near as high, didn't take a beating from an angry caffeine-fueled mob. And are you forgetting the hole that was blown through the F-150 where the Cybertruck stayed intact? I'd assume that the everyday person might spot what you put this truck through is beyond extreme. You are asking for physics-defying indestructibleness. Entertaining? Absolutely. That's evident from the 15 million views and counting. Corey and Whistlindiesel, after all, are masters of YouTube content creation. But you cannot pretend that this was a fair test. A flipping hilarious, entertaining test, but not a fair one. The Cybertruck won everything that mattered, but that's just what I think. Tell me your thoughts below. And if you don't like robots, don't click on this next video as the new Figure 2 humanoid robot takes on Tesla's Optimus. I'm Will, this is the Tesla Jigsaw. Thank you Patreons and thank you for watching. Bye for now.